Assalamu alaikum. So this is one day. Definitely wish I had to pick something else. We're having really a bad windstorm. The wind blew the glass out of my shop window up there. You can see that. It blew the wall out here. It's kind of glass everywhere. It's just a disaster. So, kind of discouraging day. I gotta clean all this up, plus finish chores. I didn't get chores finished because also the roof blew off one of the chicken coops out here. So I gotta fix that, and then I still got about 45 minutes worth of feeding yet to do. So it's looking like it's gonna be a long Saturday. So here's a close-up of the damage to this coop here. It just kind of peeled that whole sheet roof off of there. It also looks like it took some of the sheets off that roof there on that barn. So anyways, yeah, definitely not a fun day for me. Hope you guys are having a better day. Also, the wind blew the top out of this tree here, and it just barely missed this chicken barn. I did get up on this roof here, and it pulled two sheets off that roof there, so I screwed them back down, and it blew all these cages over. Fortunately, there wasn't any chickens hardly in them. I think there's only them two left. So definitely a bit of cleanup, and now it's starting to snow. Just like, working for yourself, it can be a headache sometimes. Trying to keep up with everything. If I worked for someone else, I could just go home and let them fix it, or if I did stay and help fix it, they'd have to pay me overtime. So this, I guess, is one of the negative sides to living off the grid and having to do everything yourself.